Alright, so now we are on our way to Hangang Drone Park. I finally get to put the drone up in there and see how it goes. Should be good. I was hoping to get the sunset. Maybe, yes, it's blue skies, so maybe we can get a sunset with the drone. Alright, we shouldn't be too far from it. We're about 5 stations off. It's on this train line. And it's something like 27,000 square meters of just park that the government, the Korean government, made available for amateur drone flyers to fly their drones, anything under 12 kilograms, without a license, which is pretty cool. I would have been New York without the sirens. Hey, this is the home of all your K-dramas. Mount Druitt to Mount Fuji. Gotta love it. Look at this place on a Tuesday night. Look at it.
Adelaide's Main Street, yeah? Rundle Street.
This is Hong Kong. Look at these buildings, bro. I got you in Singapore. So this is Chunho Station. Hangang Station, and when you get out you want to go to exit 2 if you want to get to this drone park. But right now we've got to quickly look for an M so we can put money on our cards, travel cards. Surely there'll be one through there. Hyundai Shopping Centre. It's a pretty cool place. Cool train station anyway. Joe Malone. What is Joe Malone? Mason, Katsunu, Kitsune, APC. Look at these flowers. The birds. And we come in. Alright. Mini bun factory. Oh, sorry. Now we go look for ATM. Oh, this is pretty cool. Fruit and vegetable shop down the back. Oh, these look good. The chicken looks gun. What are these? Garlic bread. Is it garlic bread? Looks like garlic bread, eh? Oh, they look so good. After. Yeah, I need an ATM. Let's go and ask. I'll ask the lady. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where ATM is to get money? Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know.
No?
Sorry.
To take money.
No.
Oh, you don't know?
I'm newbie.
Okay, no worries. 감사합니다. She's new, sorry. That's it. Thank you. We're now heading back to the proper exit, which is exit 2. So if you want to get to this park, exit 2. Alright. We're just through here. Oh my day. It's so big. Yeah, that old lady on the train, when she saw us standing, she's like, sit. Even if I got permission from an elderly person, no one else would have known I did. Oh, no way. Is that car cleaning? Is that a car cleaning station? The actual car cleaning thing moves and not the car? Look at that. So in Australia, you'd hop on a belt and it would just pull you along. But here, the car thing moves. That's pretty sick. That is pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Yeah, wow. Oh, look at that. Golf. Top Golf. One thing about Seoul, they love their cafes, eh? Which is good because I'm a coffee connoisseur. I love my coffee. Look at the apartment complexes. Look at those. Look at that, Roletta. Yo. They look pretty fancy too. They look very modern. Yeah, a reminder, when you're in Korea, they walk on the right side of the footpath in most places. Look at that. They're crazy, brand new. Haven't even sold yet. Yeah, well, look at that. That's pretty sick. Well, I bet she's paying half the petrol of everyone else on the road. Probably electric too. I think it's pretty sick. Alright, so we're here. This is it. Hangang Park. Hold that one. I've been wanting to do this for a few days now. Oh, I'm finally on the river. Finally get to get the drone up in the air. Hopefully get some cool shots, aerial shots. So, yo, look at that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, wow, look at that, Roletta. Yeah. And it's saying, oh, it's saying I should have turned right there. Yeah, look at that. Wow. This is Hangang Park. Let's go, we'll go down this way. This is pretty, but this is so nice. It's not far now. Look at the park with the swings. I promise you those toilets will be the cleanest toilets you'll ever see. Oh, it's closed. Did I miss it? Oh no. Closes at 4. But I can still throw my drone. I'm this far. I'm gonna throw my drone up. I'm just gonna go straight up. That's the drone park down there. It's currently closed. Closes at 4 o'clock, but I'm not one to admit defeat. So I'm just gonna find a little area and throw my drone up. found a place to fly it. We flew it from the park just over here. And yeah, my battery's running low, so we're gonna sign out. And that was our trip to Hangang Drone Park, Hangang Drone Park. Unfortunately, the drone park was closed, but we found a place to get it up in here. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like. All right, guys, peace. Yo, yeah, that's it. So on the train map, you'll see these lines. If they're on, those gaps are on the top of the line, the door opens like that. Anything else on the bottom like that one. And those ones, the doors are on the right.